Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the EatClub food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. EatClub is a food delivery app designed to make ordering meals from restaurants faster and more affordable. The app connects users with a wide variety of local eateries, offering exclusive discounts and cashback deals on each order. It's available on both iOS and Android and focuses on providing users with quick delivery, accurate tracking, and cost-saving offers. The app's main feature is its dynamic discount system, which shows real-time deals from nearby restaurants, allowing users to get meals at lower prices than other food delivery platforms. EatClub also supports multiple payment options, live order tracking, and an easy-to-use interface that helps users reorder favorites in seconds. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate EatClub's exclusive restaurant discounts, smooth app navigation, and reliable delivery service. It's especially popular among students and office workers who want to enjoy restaurant-quality meals at reduced prices. The cashback and promo features add extra value, making it a good alternative to traditional food delivery apps. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional technical glitches, limited restaurant options in smaller cities, and inconsistent delivery times during peak hours. In addition, the best discounts are sometimes restricted to selected restaurants, which may limit options for some users. In summary, the EatClub app may be worth using if you want an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly platform to order discounted meals from local restaurants. However, if you prefer a wider restaurant selection or faster delivery guarantees, other apps might suit you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.